Alright, I got the starter button apart. You can hear down in here, starter solenoid clicking. From all my experience, that means that it's a bad starter solenoid. I've went ahead and checked the battery. I did a load test on that. That's good. I held for 10 seconds at 12 volts, so that's not a problem. But I'm not getting anything else other than clicks. I've tried tapping on it a little bit with a screwdriver and a small wrench, you know, trying to get it to come back, and nothing. I was hoping if I sit here and did this long enough, like I had an old SLT 750 that did the same thing. Rather than replacing it, I'd just beat and bang on it and do this until it started, but that's not convenient for most people. I do understand that. So we're going to try to get this straight. Tell the customer that I believe that they need a new starter solenoid, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned. Oh wait, we're working on a Waverunner today, by the way.